Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review between these two AI presentation tools, which is Tome and Pitch. So here's the breakdown. Tome uses AI to generate slide and layout from your topic or outline in minute. You type your ideas and it builds a full presentation with visual and structure very fast. It's great if you want quick AI created desk without spending time on design or structure. Now talking about Pitch AI focus on team collaboration and polished slide design with template and real-time editing that makes teamwork very smooth. It doesn't auto-generate full desk the way Tome does, but it gives you strong professional layout and workflow structure. So my opinion, Tome is best for fast AI built presentation and it works very fast, while Pitch is best for team-friendly, well-designed slide. And that's how they both work. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review. You're welcome.